Capricorn, 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 September 15 to 21. Welcome po. Knock, 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 Capricorn, September 15 to 21. Welcome po sa Scorp's Work Tarot. Yeah. Happy weekend po sa mga kapatid nating mga OFW. Another week, pahinga po tayo ngayon. Tignan natin yung what's waiting kay Capricorn, September 15 to 21. So, check lang natin kung magre-resonate Kung hindi po, wag pilitin. Wag pilitin. Iba-iba po yung timeline natin. Parang ano yan, DPWH. Lilitaw at lilitaw yung mga mga nagtatagong mga ano na yan. Manananggal. Huwag nating seryosohin masyado yung it's not that hindi natin seryosohin dahil nakakalungkot, di po ba? Depressing. Pero huwag natin indahin at marami din tayong responsibilidad. Hintayin natin yung yung karma ng mga tao. Bakit ganoon? Bakit po ganoon? Ayan yan ang energy ng mga tao ngayon sa Pilipinas napagod, gustong tapusin na yung dapat tapusin. Ten of Swords, ito kumbaga sana nilatigo at sinasaktan lahat na ng uri ng pain ininda, pero despite that buhay pa rin yung inspirasyon niya. Yung pananalig, all about positivity. Ace of Wands, it's inspiration, bagong opening ng inspired action. Merong bagong darating, ika nga. So, may tinapos at may bagong panimula from 10 to 1 to 10. Depende po sa timeline natin. So Capricorn, meron tayong gustong tapusin. Meron kang gustong tapusin dahil nakita mo na despite that pain that you go through, merong light at the end of the tunnel. At marami kang choices. Hindi lang ito hindi ka lang puro ito. You know, you have that conviction, ika nga. Yung conviction na, maski na super corruption to, wala akong magagawa, pero meron akong choice. I'm going to move forward. Hindi ako magpapadala sa nangyayari sa paligid. Hindi ako magpapa-apekto. That's how it is. Meron bang ganyan palaban si Capricorn na? Queen of Swords. So, mental clarity. Decision, wala kang takot. Wala kang takot to move forward. Mayroong kang hesitation. If you're gonna look at that, bumagsak itong mga abo. Alisin natin, yan, luck. Yan part of the, remember yung, yung ibon na lumilipad, meron silang V formation, diba? Para mas mabilis silang makalipad. Yun ang nila, yung flock ng bird na yan during winter pumupunta sila sa south kung saan mainit yung weather kasi yun ang magandang to survive. Yun ang survival instinct nila. Pero itong Capricorn na nababasa ko ngayon, ganun din yung mentality niya. So she wants to make a decision, he or she wants to make a decision to move away from that, to move away dun sa lugar na hindi deserve yung kanyang presence o yung presensya niya. Kung ayaw mo sa akin, aalis ako, ganun lang yun. Correct? Yan ang niya yan ang energy mo yung Capricorn Ayan ka I see fear, definitely. Pero nakita mo yung clarity, meron kang nakita na na if you're gonna look at this woman going to that direction, you are looking to this new inspired action na you want to take. Hindi ka na magpapaligoy-ligoy. And there are choices. Minsan yung mga choices na marami, hindi rin maganda eh. Nagiging salawahan ka, or you become more cautious, sometimes cautious, overly cautious, hindi rin maganda, nagkakaroon ka ng indecision. But this time, you know what to choose. Pero maganong Capricorn, nasaktan ka, kung ano man yung nakasakit sa'yo, tinapos mo, hindi ka na magpatumpik-tumpik pa, may mga decision kang dapat gawin, alam mo kung ano yung gusto mo, very confident. Yes, mahirap itong ganitong hindi to ganito kadali. Lalo na kapag maraming maapektuhan. Decision, indecision, or not making a decision, may impact yan, di ba? Tama ba, Capricorn? Merong ganyan, di ba? So, ikaw, naka-ready ka na eh. Hawak mo na yung yung sandata mo, yung weapon mo. Yan ang yan ang shield mo eh. That's how I can say it. Now, no more decision or indecision. You already know what to choose. I think this is how it looks like. Okay? You're moving forward, pero meron kang inspired action. Marami kang decision and indecision, pero you know what you want. You know where to go. Kasi nga, yung fundamentals ng belief, yung belief mechanism mo, yes, solid siya. Hindi siya tipong lalamya-lamya. Okay? Alam mo yung meron kang kakayahan and knowledge, meron kang eksperyensya, napagdaanan mo na siya, hindi na bago sa'yo ito. Meron mang ganyan, Capricorn. Capricorn tong reading. Meron ba ako ibang nasabi? Capricorn, yeah, Capricorn. Okay, ikaw yung hari ng ng kagubatan. I think this is huge. This is not something na easy na magde-decide ka because of nakapag-decide ka lang or something you like to do. Ito yung, I think this is a planned decision, and meron kang nakuwang inspirasyon, or kumukuha ka ng energy mo to move forward from somebody, or it can be coming from the past situation. Yes? Yung tipong, okay, nag-OFW tayo, okay? Gagawin mo yan dahil sa mahal mo sa buhay. Agree? Mayroon kang gusto tulungan. That's what your inspiration. Yun ang doon ka nagdodoro ng inspiration. Wala nang patumpik-tumpik pa. Alam mo. Kasi nga, yun ang fundamentals mo. Alam mo to survive at makatulong ka. No matter how painful yung pag-alis mo, or nasaktan ka na because of whatsoever, failures and regrets, pero yung life experiences mo, it brought you to that level of fearless. Oh, something. Okay? You're carrying the torch. Alam mo, ikaw yung magdadala ng torch na yan. I think you're ready for that. Yeah? Kung ano man itong torch na ito, different meaning po sa iba-ibang sitwasyon natin sa buhay. Yes? So, ang energy ni Capricorn is tumabi-tabi kayo dyan at nakahanda na ako kasi nakita ko na yung bagong oportunidad na darating sa akin. Inaabangan mo ito eh. Meron bang ganyan? Kung sa trabaho ibibigay yun na yung promotion na pinagtrabahuhan mo. Nagtiyaga ka, you gone through that process of failure. Yeah, kasi merong choices dito eh. Any choices, hindi lahat ng choices na ginawa natin is a good one. I'm not saying na masama tayong or pinarusahan ka or whatsoever. Sometimes may effect to yung choices natin eh. Yes? So may effect na to sacrifice, or gusto mo yung the easy way. Yes. Meron bang ganyan? Mukhang ito pinagdaanan mo you decided based on it's a difficult situation. Hindi yung Okay. Um, example is, yun na lang meron kang gustong commitment o gustong bilhin, yeah? Mabigat na malaking bagay. Siyempre, halimbawa, bahay at lupa. Okay, gusto mo yun. Pero, kung wala ka namang pambili, you have to go through the process of working hard. Kasi marami kang binabalansing babayarang utang. And for that whole year, nabayaran mo na, sa'yo na yung bahay, yun na yung opportunity to have that independence, na-claim mo na yung dream mo. At yun ang choice na ginawa mo. Ngayon, kung hindi ka nagpatumpik-tumpik before, after 10 years na nakalipas, yung decision mo na it's either you buy or you don't buy, after 10 years, may another choice ka ulit darating. Bakit? Kasi ngayon, bumabaha. And that's the poor decision na hindi mo ginawa 10 years ago. Yes? Kasi wala kang knowledge and wisdom before. And I think now you've learned that lesson. So ngayon, natuto ka na and you're ready to move to that direction. You want to own it this time. Yes, that's a life lesson. And ngayon, yung choices na yan, hindi na bago sa'yo yan. And you are ready to take that painful process. Painful yung mangutang at bayaran ng 10 taon. Kesa dun sa 10 taong, hindi ka nangutang, wala kang bahay after 10 years. Yung isa, naghirapan ka, umiyak ka, nasaktan ka, etc. At the end of the 10 years, sa'yo yung bahay. That's the new opportunity. Ngayon, meron ka na naman bagong opportunity and you don't want to make that same mistake again. Yes? Meron bang ganyan? Nakarelate ka ba, Capricorn? Meron bang ganyan? Okay. Tignan natin kung ano toong inspired action na ito. Meron kang decision. Kung ano yung decision mo ngayon, meron kang ulit na tinapos. Yes? Tama ba? So, tignan natin kung ano yun. Is another big one. Isa na naman tong major dream mo, Capricorn. Ano ba yun? What is that major dream mo, Capricorn? Yeah, sino ba naman ang ayaw ng prosperity? Prosperity at the proper way. Hindi DPWH ito. Kasi walang pain yun. Walang pain yung ganoon. Ngayon, yung pain nila, ang mararamdaman nila after this ano ba to? Pagkahuli nila. Okay, walang pain yung prosperity nila eh. Correct? That's a 5 years of poor decision. Ayaw mo ng pain, gusto mong yumaman, yeah, okay. Mangulimbat ka. That's how it is. Ngayon, yung pain ng pagkakahuli sa kanila, yun ang pain na dapat na kinuha nila noon before, ginamit nila in a proper way to earn that money. Ngayon, gusto mo na namang mag-venture out into something new. And I think now you learn na gusto mo yung the hardest way because you've learned your lesson. Yes? Kasi yung pain na naranasan mo in the past teach you a bigger lesson sa future mo. Yes, Capricorn, meron bang ganyan? You're ready to venture out into something I consider it safe. Okay, consider it unknown. Consider it unknown. Yeah. Ito yung tipong nung nag-abroad tayo, ako, I don't have a clue when I got the work na magtrabaho sa ibang bansa. Yeah. Alam ko lang isang dahilan kung bakit ko gustong umalis. Pera. Yeah. That's true, Capricorn. So, ginugol ko yung trabaho ko, yung sarili ko, into working hard, building, and building. And it's difficult. Yung sinasabi kong difficult route, and that's a lot of sacrifice. That's a lot of sacrifice, Capricorn. And you want to go to that stage. You're ready. I think you're ready. Meron bang ganyan? So, you made... I don't want to say now you made a mistake in the past. Kaya lang, yung sign here is meron kang tinapos na it's a painful past. Yeah. Meron kang tinapos. So, relationship ba ito? So, tignan natin, Capricorn. Tignan natin tong, ano ba itong, okay. Tignan natin. Okay. Base ito sa paniniwala mo. Base ito sa paniniwala mo. You dreamt about it. You dreamt about it. Yeah. You dreamt about it. It's a big deal for you. Ano bang magandang reason? Kamukha nga sinabi ko sa iyo yung bahay. Bahay is something big and very material. Walang masama doon. But to get that yung dream mo na isakatuparan mo, you need the readiness. Okay? This is a sign symbolic for your intuition. You are becoming more centered to yung self-worth ito Yun na yung self-worth. Once you get connected din sa sarili mo, ito yung nasabi ko na self-worth very difficult sa tao to move forward without being affected sa sasabihin ng ibang tao. Alam mo yung pelikula ni Demi Moore na your measuring stick, the definition ng beautiful is based on the measuring stick of other people. Something like that. But this time, wala kang pakialam sa sasabihin ng tao. Yeah? That's how I see it. Yeah, na-found mo yung okay, the decision is a new opportunity, new found confidence. Yeah? Anything na new na you're not used to it dahil sa mahihiyain ka. Ngayon, nagsasalita ka na in public. Ganun tipo, it's new. It's a new version of you. Anything na hindi tayo komportableng gawin before is a new version of us. For me, that's something wonderful kasi it can transform. It's very very alchemy. It's transforming you. Okay, tignan natin yung next card. Something to that effect. I do not know how it's gonna resonate to you guys, Capricorn. Okay. I think this is a new you. Okay, new Capricorn. Tingnan natin. And you've been working hard for that. Nagsusunog ka ng kilay. Alam mo yung mga soldier na maraming training. Yes, bago sumabak. Merong yung emotion mo, I think na you killed your emotion here. Iba yung offer dito. Okay, page is small, emotion is small. After going through the difficulty, there's no such thing as small emotion for you. Ito siguro I can consider based on this spread na you're using more of your head than your heart. Yeah. You have the Ace of Wands and the Ace of Swords. That's mental, and one is the inspired action. Okay? Kasi minsan yung emotion natin it's a hindrance. And you want to stand up in your 2 feet. Kung ano yung paniniwala mo, hindi mo basta-basta mag-give in ka. Yes? Ganun yung tipo. Okay. You've gone through some negative vibe before. Okay. This is, I think it's self-pity, ito yung mga self-loathing na excesses, kahanginan, anything na it pulls you down. Negativity, put it that way, the toxic Energy, Capricorn. Actually, energy mo yan eh. Pero ang nakita ko dito it's not on the negative side because na found mo yung who really you are. Okay? Yung modus mo na tinatawag. Okay? You're starting to become more real. Yeah, magiging more realistic ka, more real in the sense na you know what will makes you happy. Kasi meron kang iniwanan hindi na serving they don't deserve you. Yes. I think this is coming hurting. I do not know how did it started. I do not know kung anong stage ka rito. You want to cut it clean and immediately. You have inspired action. You have to make a quick decision. Nakita mo yung opportunity to make that quick decision. Hindi ka na napag-hesitate. Why? Because you already gone through the same road. Okay? Ayaw mo nang bumalik doon sa same road na yon. Yung vision mo is even wider than before. Kumbaga sa side mirror lang. Ngayon, you have the 180 degree of view on what's happening and what you like to achieve. Hindi na ito, you're thinking now more about yourself. Yeah? There's nothing wrong on that. Okay? You found your true self here. Kung sino si Capricorn dito. And that would lead you, kung ito pa yung gusto mong puntahan, up more abundance and stability. Now, definition ng abundance mo dito is, I think it's not about the money that you maybe from some people yung definition mo you want to move away from whatever negative vibe or energy which make you feel parang na-OP ka, na out of place. Okay? You don't something na they don't value you. Okay? As simple as that. Dahil inano ka dito put it this way, nasaktan ka. Okay? Ngayon, you want that foundation for you to prove it to yourself only. I don't think you're looking for validation from other. Remember I said na if you don't understand who you are, you want to measure your success or yung kagandahan or yung beauty based on the other people's measuring stick. Why? Because of your insecurity. But now I don't think you still suffering from that one because you've learned the hard way. So September 15 to 21, you're ready to just pack your bags and go. Yeah, meron bang ganyan? Because is para sa iyo yun ang makapagbibigay ng foundation na hinahanap mo You need to solidify yung sarili mo before you can be able to inspire other. Okay, ibang Capricorn ito. This is a different Capricorn that it's not for everybody. You don't even worried about these choices in front of you. Kumbaga sa alam mo kung sinong trabaho ang tatanggapin mo. Yes? So, kung gusto niyo akong magtrabaho sa inyo, and then this is what I'm worth, and ito yung hinahanap ko. So, take it or leave it. Otherwise, let's not waste time here. Yeah. Very feisty Capricorn. Meron bang ganyan Capricorn? Yeah, meron. Meron kasi you found your true self Hindi ka na hindi ka nagstay dun sa mentality na insecure people normally they hiding something para just to cover their weaknesses. Okay, I think that's another message here. Ikaw, ayaw mo na nung ganoon. You've been hurting in the past. Merong inspiration na dumating sa'yo. Okay? Kung ano yung choices na yun, hindi ka na magtutumpik-tumpik pa, alam mo what choices do you want to choose. And yung intuition mo is very high kasi nga nakilala mo kung ano yung kung sino ka. Capricorn. Yeah, September 15 to 21, tignan natin yung message ng ng moon. Ha? Tignan natin, Capricorn. So this is interesting. This is a sana all moment. Tignan natin. Okay. Kuha tayo ng isa. Half to full moon. Okay, half to full moon. Oh, that's interesting. Ngayon ko lang nakuha ito Tignan natin. Iano ko sa camera. Embracing high levels of motivation and energy will bring feelings of empowerment and satisfaction. Tama po ba? Ayan, nababasa mo embracing high level of motivation and energy will bring feelings of empowerment and satisfaction. Ito isa Okay, your level here is hindi biro. Alam mo yung gusto mo, you're looking towards to this inspired action. May dumating sa'yo. Kung ano may darating na yan, not necessarily na in a physical realm of pera or, nakikita ko rito, it's not physical kundi nanggagaling sa'yo You remember that bird I'm telling here? Okay? Ayan kayo sa grupo ka and you're leading the pack. Parang nag-V formation yung ibon na yan. Hey, kumbaga katayo na mga katribo, pumunta tayo doon and you're leading that pack. Yung sa V formation. Why? Because you know who you are and you know what you want to get this time. Because of the past mistake. Kung meron ng mistake, again, iba-iba yung definition po natin. Bakit tayo lilipat patungo doon? Okay? Para sa'yo, alam mo na who you are and wala na ka ng panahon para magsintir pa o magdrama. Iiwanan mo yung kung sino man yung hindi na nag-hold sa'yo to grow. Hindi na nagre-restrict sa'yo to have that healing. Yung nagre-restrict sa'yo to have that happiness. Because at the end of the day, you know who you are and what you want. You don't even bother to worry about ang daming choices dito. No, you don't even care. Alam mo yung patutunguhan mo because you once you heal that one and you recognize who you are at kung ano yung ma-achieve mo, you know for a fact and you believe it na makukuha mo yung kung ano yung hinahanap mo is a stepping stone to have the 10 of Pentacles. Okay? 10 of Pentacles, it's not all about the money. It's the foundation of who you are and what you believe in. So, yan yung, okay, gusto mo ng definition mo is mayaman, madaming pera, then you gonna work for it. Alam mo na kung paano mo siya kunin. Hindi ka na magdadalawang isip. Kumbaga sa sige, punta tayo doon. Ngayon, gusto mo ng mamahaling mga gamit? Okay. Kung gusto mo ng magandang career, okay, pupuntahan ko yan. Yes, you are a warrior at this moment. Oh, wow. Okay. Wow, that's heavy. Meron bang ganong Capricorn? So, September 15 to 21. Yeah, this is a sana all moment and it's not easy. Somebody na nagising ka Capricorn. Yeah, so good luck. So, shout out po sa mga OFW na naka-resonate kung nasaan man kayo. Kwentuhan tayo, magkape-kape. Okay, salamat po. See you again.